entering Section 6. This here is the Section 6 comfort station. It's one of the older ones. Section 6 has a few cul-de-sacs and a pavilion. Guess I better show you the Section 6 pavilion. It's a nice place to hang out. A lot of people don't know about it. They will now. Restroom and a park and a pavilion up over the hill. There it is. And a basketball court and a playground. So there's the Section 6 pavilion. Do a couple cul-de-sacs here. Not much to this one. Called Lexington Circle. This one's called Lexington Trail, but it's a circle also, so go figure. Again, this is Section 6. Got 2 streets left. Trail. This is also where the utility people are located. Right there in that building. Howdy, Rusty. Couple little cul-de-sacs over here I forgot about. Is there such a thing as the wrong way in a cul-de-sac? I'd have to say yes. That was it. Another cul-de-sac. Nice Kubota. Good looking Kubota for sure. Okay, we're still in Section 6. We've only got 1 street left. Gagliano Street. I think after this, I might head home. 6 comfort station. Okay, we're about to hit the last turn in section 6. What's its name? I guess it's Westwood Trail. There, we'll tell when we get down here. Oh, and I lied. There's a cul-de-sac down here too. Needs painted. Can't read it. There's a nice log cabin. Section 6. Trailer with no wheels. Ouch. Okay, that's going to conclude our tour of section 6. We pop out into section 12.